Looking for easy, healthy, and delicious dinner ideas? High-protein meals are the answer. Protein builds strong muscles and keeps you full longer. You don't need to be a chef. These recipes are simple and perfect for busy nights. We'll show you 5 quick, flavorful meals using everyday ingredients. You'll learn to make dishes with chicken, shrimp, fish, ground beef, sausage, and even quinoa. Quinoa is a protein-packed grain that's easy to cook. These meals are colorful, balanced, and exciting. Great for family or meal prep. All you need is a good pan and a baking sheet. High-protein dinners help keep your blood sugar stable and curb late-night cravings. Each recipe includes protein, veggies, and healthy fats for a complete meal. Ready to discover your new favorite dinner? Let's get cooking and make dinner time special. These recipes are quick, healthy, and taste amazing. You'll love making and eating them. No fancy equipment needed, just simple steps. Perfect for beginners or anyone short on time. Meal prep these dishes to save time all week. Protein at dinner is a smart way to end your day. Let's dive into 5 fantastic recipes. Get ready for easy, fun, and delicious dinners. Thai basil chicken, quick, flavorful, and perfect for busy nights. The sauce is sweet, salty, and a little spicy, just like your favorite takeout. You'll need ground chicken, jalapeno, garlic, green onions, basil, sugars, soy sauce, stock, and oyster sauce. Mince jalapeno and garlic, chop green onions, whisk sugars, soy sauce, stock, and oyster sauce for the sauce. Cook ground chicken in hot oil until almost done. Add jalapeno, garlic, and green onion whites. Cook briefly. Pour in the sauce. Let it bubble and thicken. Stir in fresh basil off the heat to wilt. Serve in lettuce cups or over rice. Enjoy. Sheet pan shrimp fajitas. Easy, colorful, and packed with protein. Shrimp, bell peppers, jalapeno, and onion roast together for minimal cleanup. Toss with oil and spices, cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, garlic, salt, and pepper. Spread everything on a sheet pan in a single layer. Roast at high heat for 7 minutes, then broil for a charred finish. Serve in warm tortillas with cheese, cilantro, and lime. Cleanup is a breeze with just one pan. Quick, tasty, and satisfying. Sheet pan shrimp fajitas will be your new go-to dinner. Spicy unstuffed cabbage rolls, classic comfort, made easy. Sausage and lean ground beef provide hearty protein in this one-pot meal. No rolling required, just chop cabbage and add to the pot. Sauté sausage and beef, drain fat, then add onion, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, vinegar, chili powder, and crushed red pepper. Stir in chopped cabbage. It will cook down and soak up all the flavors. Simmer covered for 20-25 minutes until cabbage is tender. Serve hot in a bowl, no sides needed. The cabbage acts like noodles for a filling, low-carb meal. Perfect for cool evenings or meal prep. All the flavor of classic cabbage rolls, none of the fuss. Spicy, savory, and satisfying. Enjoy this easy, protein-packed comfort food. Mexican quinoa skillet with chicken. Healthy, colorful, and full of protein. Quinoa and chicken make this a complete, satisfying meal. Sauté jalapeno and garlic in olive oil. Add black beans, fire-roasted tomatoes, corn, rinsed quinoa, and chicken broth. Season with chili powder, cumin, crushed red pepper, salt and pepper. Stir in pre-cooked chicken. Bring to a boil, then simmer covered for 20 minutes until quinoa is fluffy. All the flavors meld together for a delicious one-skillet dinner. Serve in bowls, topped with cilantro and a squeeze of lime. Great for meal prep. Make a big batch for lunches all week. Packed with veggies, protein, and bold Mexican flavors. Easy to make, easy to clean up. Perfect for busy nights or healthy eating goals. Try it once, and it'll be a staple in your kitchen. Enjoy this vibrant, protein-rich meal. Last up, broiled tilapia parmesan, an elegant, easy fish dish. Tilapia is mild, high in protein, and cooks quickly. Toss cauliflower florets with oil, garlic powder, salt and pepper, roast until just soft. Mix mayonnaise, butter, lemon zest and juice, seasoning and parmesan for a creamy topping. Place tilapia fillets over the cauliflower, season, and spread with the parmesan mixture. Bake until fish is cooked and topping is golden. Broil for a minute if needed. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley. This dish is low-carb, gluten-free, and full of flavor, perfect for weeknights or special occasions. The cheesy topping makes the fish irresistible. Minimal prep, maximum taste. Try it with any mild whitefish, broiled tilapia, Parmesan, simple, healthy, and delicious. Enjoy your elegant protein-packed dinner.